Hey Tiggies, welcome back to InfoDruids, your go-to channel for career tip, interviews, hack, and coding preparation. So today we are diving into the hot topic: is Java outdated in 2024? And most importantly, should you learn it? Java has been around more than 2 decades, but still it holds today's fast-moving tech world, where languages like Python, JavaScript, Kotlin seems to be dominating. Let's clear this myth. So one most common argument we see: Java is outdated, Java का ज़माना चला गया, Java's time is over. But is that really? I agree that Java has old syntax. It is not flexible like our newer languages like Python, Go. But still, it is being used by over 90% of the Fortune companies. As 2024, Java is still one of the top 3 languages, which means it has been still widely used in the industry. Java is also continuously evolving. It is not same language as it was in 2000s. Regular update including 6-month release cycle since 2018 proven that Java is keep pace with modern development need. Let's talk about the fact Java may be not trendy, but it is a workhorse. It powers everything from enterprises application to Android development. Java का एक बहुत बड़ा advantage है, ये platform independent है. Thanks to famous slogan Vora, write once and run anywhere. This is especially used in the enterprises environment where companies need to stable, scalable, and cross-platforms. Big companies like Google, Amazon, Meta, Netflix are been using Java in some form, whether it is for cloud computing, big data, or their internal infrastructure. It is also good for Android development, making it essential. If you are interested in mobile development, then you should go with the Java. Now let's look on the modern use cases of the Java. Java has adopted to modern trend like cloud computing, big data, IoT, even AI also. Java's strong community support and backend compatibility make it perfect for the large scalable system, and it can run smoothly for years, even decades, without major rewrites. With the addition of the microservices and containerization tool like Docker, Java is still a solid choice for modern software architecture. If you're thinking about the job market, Java is still one of the most in-demanding language across the industries, from fintech to healthcare to e-commerce. So don't be so quick that Java is outdated, we are not going to learn those things. If your dream and goal and interest are aligned with the Java applications, then you should go with the Java. It's a smart choice. So if you like this video, please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. If you have any questions, please add into the comment. I'll be definitely replying to you. Thank you. Let's meet in the next video.